and welcome to my channel, Sweet Pink Home. I'm Elizabeth, and thanks so much for joining me. Today I wanted to share with you my 4 tips on how to have a successful meal prep section. But first of all, make sure that you give this a thumbs up and subscribe if you like. I do videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays. Tuesdays mainly about mom life and intentional living, and Thursdays about fashion because it's something that I really love. And if you haven't checked out my recent video on my spring capsule wardrobe, check it out, because this outfit right here is one of them. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to share with you 4 ways that you could have a successful meal prep session. And basically, I've been doing meal prep for just about 2 weeks now, and I just wanted to share with you guys the 4 things that make a difference in my life when I'm meal prepping. Number 1, the Lifesaver app. It's not called the Lifesaver app, but it definitely helps me when I'm meal prepping. It's called Out of Milk. And what it is, it's basically an app that stores all your inventory for your pantry. So when you're meal prepping, you know exactly what you have. And so that's my number 1 step, is either write it down in a notebook or use this app, Out of Milk. I know there's other ones, but that's the particular one that I use. Number 2, use what you have on hand. And number 3 is when you finally go on Pinterest and use some of the recipes that they have for meal prepping. There's a ton of them out there on Pinterest. And so that's my 3rd suggestion to have a successful meal prep, is go to Pinterest. And 4th and final successful tip that I have for you on meal prepping is check what's on sale. Because a lot of times you'll find that the recipes on Pinterest have a lot of stuff that's on sale already. So that is my 4th tip for you guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up like I said before if you like it. And subscribe if you like it. And I hope this helps somebody out there have a successful meal prepping session. So these are my 4 tips on how to make your meal prepping session successful. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday. We'll see you on Thursday. Thursdays, I'm going to do a video to show you my 4 spring dresses that I found for my Goodwill thrift haul. So check it out on Thursday, guys. And thanks so much for joining me. Have a great day and be blessed. Bye.